Welcome to my YouTube channel Craze Code. I, Yash, am the host of this video. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of the web. It's a language that tells web browsers like Chrome or Firefox how to display content. Imagine HTML as the skeleton of a web page, providing structure and meaning to text, images, and other elements. Without HTML, websites would be a jumbled mess. HTML uses a system of tags to mark up content. Tags are like instructions enclosed in angle brackets, for example. These tags tell the browser how to interpret and display the information between them. For instance, the tag indicates a paragraph, while the tag signifies a level 1 heading. Learning HTML is the first step towards building websites. Even a basic understanding can empower you to create your own web pages, customize existing ones, and better understand the web's inner workings. Whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled in coding before, this guide will provide a gentle introduction to HTML, equipping you with the knowledge to create your first web page. Every HTML document follows a fundamental structure, much like a house with its foundation, walls, and roof. This structure ensures that web browsers can interpret and display your content correctly. At the root of every HTML document is the tag. This tag encloses the entire content of your web page and signals to the browser that it's dealing with an HTML document. Within the tag, you'll find two main sections, the and the. The section contains information about the web page, such as the title that appears in the Browser tab and links to external resources like style sheets. The section is where the visible content of your web page resides. This includes text, images, videos, and everything else users see when they visit your site. Understanding this basic structure is crucial for writing well-organized and semantically correct HTML. It provides a framework for placing content and ensures that your web page is accessible to both users and search engines. Let's put this knowledge into practice and create a simple web page. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy software. A plain text editor like Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for Mac will suffice. First, open your text editor and type the following code. My first web page. Hello world, this is my first web page. Next, save the file as index.html in a dedicated folder on your computer. Then, navigate to the folder where you saved the file and double-click on index.html. This will open the file in your default web browser. Congratulations, you've just created your first web page. It's a simple page, but it demonstrates the fundamental structure of an HTML document and how different tags work together to display content. Let's break down some of the essential HTML tags used in our example. This tag, placed at the very beginning, declares the document as HTML5, the latest version of HTML. This tag encloses the entire HTML document. This section contains metadata about the web page, such as the title. This tag specifies the title of your web page, which appears in the Browser tab. This section contains the visible content of your web page. This tag defines a level 1 heading, the most important heading on your page. This tag defines a paragraph of text. Here are some tips for beginners. Pay attention to case sensitivity. HTML tags are case insensitive, but it's good practice to use lowercase for consistency. Use indentation. Indenting your code makes it more readable and easier to debug. Validate your code. Use an HTML validator to check for errors in your code. Practice regularly. The best way to learn HTML is to practice regularly. Experiment with different tags and create your own simple web pages. Creating a web page might seem daunting at first, but remember that every web developer started with the basics. With practice and patience, you'll be well on your way to mastering the fundamentals of HTML.